Canada.
Glorious and free.
We live in this beautiful country,
Full of rights and freedoms.
But do we really know our legal rights?
Babies want to get born. Your baby probably has a beating heart, you know.
This girl has the freedom to express her opinions on abortion, just as Juno has the right to have an abortion if she pleases. This is similar to the 1988 Regina v. Montgontour case concerning abortion.
Babies want to get born.
Why do you have salt in your... That's actual drugs. Oh my god. Get on the ground!
Channing Tatum did not have permission from the men.
To search their bikes for drugs.
He is violating the section of the charter. This is similar to the 2004 Regina versus Teslin case, in which unwarranted drug detecting occurred.
This clip violates Angelina's rights to not be immediately arrested without evidence. A similar case would be the 2004 Regina versus Mann case, where detention occurred for the purpose of investigation.
The department was forced to drop the charges because you forgot to read him his Miranda rights.
On arrest, the police did not read the people their rights, so this section of the charter was violated. A similar case to this is the 2005 Regina versus Urbanski case, where police did not tell drivers their rights before asking them if they were drinking.
Andy had a fair trial before the court found him guilty based on circumstantial evidence. River vs. Oates, 1986, where there was a trial for drug trafficking, is a real-life case relating to this section.
Power vested in me by the state of Maine. I hereby order you to serve 2 life sentences back to back.
Section 7 is violated in this clip as Tom Cruise is being treated extremely cruelly to get information from him. A more realistic case is the 1987 Regina vs. Smith case, in which too much jail time for the crime committed was sentenced.
Yes.
And wouldn't somebody who's had, say, 30 perms before in their life be well aware of this rule? And if, in fact, you weren't washing your hair, as I suspect you weren't because your curls are still intact, wouldn't you have heard the gunshot? And if, in fact, you had heard the gunshot...
The lawyer L. Woods is using compromising evidence against the witness, therefore violating this section. This is relatable to the 1990 Regina versus Culdip case.
This man is given access to an interpreter so he knows the case against him and is able to respond. An example of a violation of this section is the 1994 Regina vs. Tran case, in which an interpreter gave a summary of testimony to the accused person but did not translate all of it.